Hi, I'm Jordy, and in this video, I'll quickly explain what makes my services unique and beneficial to your business. So you're here because you're probably looking for video help. Now, when you're looking for a video partner to help grow your business, there's a lot of choices out there for you. But as you may have already realized, creating video is much more than producing content and then lobbing it over the fence in hopes that the right viewer watches it. Always when hiring a vendor, your concerns are with cost, risk, and control. You want an economical solution that has the highest chance of success, and you want to feel like you have a clear plan for your videos that is focused on specific outcomes for your business. So to lower your risk, you need someone that knows your industry and already has solutions ready to help you. My company is a boutique specialized company that focuses only on high-tech and finance businesses with experience working globally via remote practices. I know your typical business pains and what video content works for your buyers' expectations during their journey in researching your company. And I also know that you're looking for one of these three primary video solutions: video content production, video training, or ongoing video managed services. So check out each of these areas on this website to watch a quick video on the benefits and the packages that I've created for each of these areas. So by building specific solutions like these from years of experience working with companies just like yours, I'm able to keep your video costs down, ensure your efforts have the highest success, and give you more clarity into your video goals. Cost, risk, control. So explore the site, and please reach out if you have any more questions.